On Windows 10, when you try to install a third-party installation file, it'll give you a warning. Today I'm trying to install Chromium. I prefer using Chromium over Chrome just because I don't know why. I just needed an extra browser. And so here I download the installer for this version of Chromium. And when I double click to try to install it, it gives me Windows protected your PC. It didn't really protect it, it's just putting this layer. And the thing is, it doesn't show you the run button, it just shows you don't run. So if you see Windows protected your PC, you can still run it probably. They've hidden it under the more info button. I think that's I think it's good in a sense for people who aren't too sure about the computer, but also it's bad in the sense that even I know about computers and I forget where it's at. Anyways, so if you want to run the, let's say, Chromium or any third-party installation, you can click the more info button, it shows us the file, and click run anyways. And you can see I have a bunch of browsers over here that I use for testing. And then there you go, there's my Chromium browser session, and I will do yahoo.com. That's it. So if you're trying to install something and you get the, what's it called? Let's see if it pops up. Might not. It's not popping up. But you might get a third-party warning that says don't run anyways, your Windows is protecting you. You just click the more info button. I think I can do it with something else, but anyways, that's it.